What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super short and sweet. I'm taking my hair down from a pineapple and I'm going to show you guys how I trim slash diva cut slash dust, whatever you want to call it, my curly hair. So I'm working on a really old twist out. This is about day 3 or 4, I can't remember, but I like to work on old hair just because it's a little bit more stretched. So what I usually do is just go through my hair. I usually do one side at a time, and I just twirl my fingers around my ends and see which ends are really tangled, scraggly, thin, and just not like the rest of my hair. For this curl that I picked, I'm going to be cutting exactly where I pointed to with my pinky. So I'm just going to snip and then move on to the next curl. Do the same thing, twirl around my fingers and see which strands just aren't the same, a little bit dry, dusty, frizzy, and I'm going to snip away. That's pretty much it, you guys. This is the method that I've been using to trim slash dust my hair for as long as I've been natural. I never have went to a natural hairstylist. I myself am not a cosmetologist. I'm not licensed. In no way am I telling you that this is the right way or the only way to trim your curly hair and to not go to a specialist to get your hair trimmed. I'm just telling you that it works for me. I've been doing it for years and I'm not going to pay anybody hundreds of dollars to trim my curly hair when I can do it myself and it works. This process usually takes me about a week if I'm 100% dedicated to cutting my hair, about 2 weeks tops if I am not dedicated, if I'm being distracted. I've heard from people who have gotten diva cuts that your cut is not complete in one session. You actually have to go back for a number of sessions until they have completed cutting all of your dead ends. I'm not sure. That's just what I've heard from a few people who have actually gotten diva cut. So that's why I would rather take my own time to do it myself in the bathroom rather than keep going back for diva cuts sessions, which are hundreds of dollars each. I don't think I said this yet, but I'm using hair scissors. You want to make sure that you 100% always use hair shears on your strands, nothing more, nothing less, and I'm just using them to shape my hair. Sometimes I shape it in the side part because that's what I wear most often, and then I shift it back to the middle part just to make sure that everything is even and that there are no extra flyaways. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'll be doing this all week. This is not a finished product. I'll insert a picture of the finished product when I did it a few years ago. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.